Works Minister Umahi commends health infrastructure initiatives of President Tinubu, tasked stakeholders on collaborative support to achieve shared goals. Congratulates SSA to President on Community Engagement Southeast for her commitment to enhancing human empowerment and promoting healthy communities. The Honorable Minister of Works, Senator Engineer David Umahi, CON, has praised the efforts of the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, His Excellency Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, in developing critical competencies that will improve healthcare and other service delivery in Nigeria's healthcare-related academic institutions. The Honorable Minister made this commendation during the flag-off of a healthcare program, free cancer screening, free eye testing, free dialysis, and skill-up empowerment program for the people and residents of Southeast. Organized by the Senior Special Assistant to the President on Community Engagement Southeast, Barrister Mrs. Chioma Nwenze, in conjunction with David Umahi Federal University of Health Sciences, Uburu, held at the university premises on 8th March 2025. The Honorable Minister, who represented the President of Nigeria during the event, said the federal government was committed to providing enabling infrastructure, the most conducive learning environment in our university. Counter the various interventions of Mr. President, David Umahi Federal University of Health Sciences, which was incidentally built by the Honorable Minister when he was the governor of Ebonyi State, and which law established minutes after the founder, David Umahi, was passed by the 10th National Assembly under the Renewed Hope administration.
Of course, I have to thank Mr. President so much. The asphalting of this institution, the building of the hall that is there. So many things. Start with Femi. The power that we have developed. Today we have uninterrupted power to the MRI. I'm told that it's the only MRI that is functional in the entire Southeast. And so he has brought solar power to it. That's uninterrupted power. So we are very grateful. We are very grateful. The vision of this institution as a roundup is to eliminate medical tourism, like the board chairman said. And what were those features? We dreamt of having transplant center and then normal dialysis center. We have them. We have all the equipment.
He expressed appreciation to the governor of Ebonyi State, His Excellency Right Honorable Prince Builder Francis Ogbonnanwifuru, FNIOB GGCEHF, and his dear wife, Her Excellency Chief Mrs. Uzamaka Mary Modlin Ogbonnanwifuru, for their commitments to the advancement of learning and excellence in the university. He said, and I quote,
"Greet the governor's wife for me, my daughter, and I'm going to support her commitment to this institution when I make my donation. Tell the governor that I appreciate his subvention to federal institution, which he gives every month."
The Honorable Minister commended the SSA to the President on Community Engagement Southeast for the thoughtful motivations of his program, which he said was a wake-up call to all stakeholders, public and private institutions, to show collaborative support to the government to achieve shared goals in healthcare delivery.
And the one good thing about you is your loyalty and commitment. Now you are showing it to Mr. President by this free medical treatment. That is the only way to represent Mr. President. You have to represent a man in the ways that a man is. Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Mr. President, is a man of passion. He loves Nigeria. And if you are his, you have to love Nigerians. You don't have to say this one is from here, is from here. And so what we are doing beyond the Ebonyi State for the entire Southeast, and I'm extending it for the entire Nigeria, is commendable. Congratulations for your commitment. Congratulations for this.
He pledged his continual support to the university to enable it to realize its goals of achieving unmatched excellence in their healthcare facilities, such as radiology center, cancer center, eye center, kidney center, maternity and childbirth center, etc. Speaking during the event, the representative of the governor of Ebonyi State, Her Excellency Princess Patricia Obila, who is also the Deputy Governor of Ebonyi State, extolled the initiative of the SSA on community engagement to give the people access to quality healthcare and life-changing empowerment, and assured the commitment of the state government in supporting the Federal University of Health Sciences in the state in realizing the objectives of its establishment.
Sir, as we said earlier, today is not really a speech day. We are here to keep the ball rolling. We are here to flag up the program. We are here to say thank you to all Ebonians for all your perseverance, for all your support, for all your prayers. We wouldn't have gotten to this level without your prayers and support. And on behalf of my boss and the entire people of Ebonyi State, we want to say congratulations to everybody.
Earlier in her address, the SSA to the President on Community Engagement said she initiated the healthcare outreach and skill-up empowerment program for Southeast communities to add value to the laudable initiatives of Mr. President's administration, which is aimed at stimulating economic growth and enhancing the quality of life for all Nigerians.
We are confident that our participants in the Skill Up Southeast program will excel in their choosing fields and become ambassadors of our region and have name brands and become patronized. The Skill Up Southeast training and health treatment programs are an initiative of the Renewed Hope agenda of Mr. President, which is at the heart of Mr. President's community engagement efforts. As SSA to the President, my team and I have a long-term vision for our region, and we are committed to working tirelessly to achieve it. This juncture, let me express the indebtedness to the people of Southeast, to the President and Commander-in-Chief of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, His Excellency Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, for his sense of inclusive governance and for making Southeast assume a pride of place in the distribution of the nation's dividends of democracy, especially the appointment of our people in key national positions.
She thanked immensely the collaborations of David Umahi Federal University of Health Sciences and solicited for more collaborations from public-spirited individuals and bodies to enable her to attain the aspirations of our office in raising capacities and enhancing self-reliance. This was signed by Honorable Barrister Oji, Special Advisor Media to the Honorable Minister of Works.